myself Priyanka and my teammates Sabarita, Tamilarasi, Sobika Shri and Srija. We gathered here to present a business model Canva about communication system, which from theory to real world impact. And first, let me introduce this topic. This presentation delivers into the intricate world of communication system and bridging the gap between theoretical principles and their tangible application in our increasingly connected world. We will explore the fundamental components, evolutionary advancements, and the critical roles these system plays in the shaping modern society. Understanding our connected world. In an era defined by instantaneous connectivity, communication system from the invisible backbone of our daily lives, from a simple phone call to complex global data transfers. These systems enable seamless interactions across vast distance. This section will set the stage, highlights the uh, pervasive influence of communication technology and its fundamental importance to commerce, social interaction, and personal convenience. And in this global reach, connecting individuals and business across the world, and instantaneous exchange, real time data and voice transmission without delay, and access. Communication available anytime, anywhere on multiple devices, which we can use in the real time.
Of a transmission to a evidence of a digital technology or code of the distinct characteristics of analog and a digital, and it has advantages and disadvantages has for resolution accuracy efficiency and a capacity for the information transmission. Analog signal continuous wave directly representing a information, prone noise reduction over distance, example old telephone lines and AM and FM radio. And digital signal, it is a discrete pulse that is encoded as a binary numbers as zeros and ones. It is a robust against a noise, so example mobile phones and CDS. And demodulation, information for a transmission, it has the efficiency to transmit when the signal is modified and it is to be updated. Modulation is a process of changing the characteristics of the frequency, phase, and amplitude in accordance of the message signal. It has improving a signal quantities and reducing a interface with enabled modulations like amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. First, we are giving original signal, that is a message signal, and then we are giving a modulation signal, that is information that is in a carrier wave, and next is a transmission. So transmission, sending the modulation signal to a channel, and then it is demodulating, that is extracting the original informations to a carrier wave, and received signal, the original message is successfully reconstructed.
Demodulation encoding information for transmission. To efficiently transmit information over long distances or through various media, signals often need to be adapted. Modulation is the process of superimposing information onto a carrier wave, while demodulating is the reverse. This technique is vital for enabling multiple signals to share a medium, improving signal quality and reducing interface interference. We'll explore key modulation techniques like amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. Original signal, the message or data to be transmitted. Modulation, information impressed onto carrier wave. Transmission, sending the modulated wave over the channel. Demodulation, extracting the original information from the carrier wave. Received signal, the original message successfully reconstructed. Received signal, the original message successfully reconstructed. Transmission media, wired, wireless, optical channels. The choice of transmission medium significantly impacts the speed, reliability, and range of communication system. This section categories and examines the primary types of media used today. Physical cables, electromagnetic waves, and light pulses. Each has distinct characteristics, their advantages and limitations that dedicate their application. Um, Wired media, copper cables, reliable but geographically constrained. Wireless media, radio waves, Wi Fi, cellular, satellite, flexible but susceptible to interference. Optical media, fiber optic cables, high bandwidth, long distance, minimal loss.
Hello all, I'm Sabrita and I'm going to talk about network protocols and architectures, the rules of digital communication. So for devices to communicate effectively, they must adhere to a common set of rules known as protocols. These protocols dictate how data is transmitted, transferred and received across networks. We will explore key network architectures such as Internet Protocols IP suite and the OSI module, which provide a layered framework for understanding how diverse devices interact seamlessly. So in that there are three types, that is TCP IP, the fundamental protocol suite underpinning the internet, governing data exchange, and then OSI model, a conceptual framework for network communication, breaking it into 7 distinct layers. The next will be Ethernet, a family of networking technologies used in the local area networks, we call it as LANs, and HTTP or HTTPS. So it is the protocols for secure data communications in the World Wide Web. So the next topic is real world applications, where Vodafone's global network infrastructures comes for it. So to illustrate these theoretical concepts, we turn to a real world leader in communications. So Vodafone, as one of the largest mobile operators, gives the Vodafone infrastructure, exemplifies the practical application of advanced communication systems. We will examine how they leverage technologies from fiber optics to the satellite links. So to provide seamless connectivity to millions across various countries, Vodafone operates extensive mobiles and fixed networks, integrating a complex web of base stations, switching centers, data centers, and fast fiber optic cables also. So their network architecture is designed for resilient scalability and security, high ensuring high quality voice and data service even in the challenging environment. So when we come to see the global presence, operations across Europe, Africa and Asia and Oceania also includes the Vodafones. So diverse technologies like utilizes 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G networks alongside fixed time broadband. So the last one will be submarine cables, a significant investors in undersea fiber optic cables for international data transfer. So in these sectors, Vodafones are the major in use. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Tamil and I am going to talk about Vodafone's innovation advancing 5G and IoT connectivity. Vodafone is not just maintaining existing networks, they are at the forefront of innovation, particularly in the development of 5G technology and the expansion of Internet of Things capabilities. This section will highlight their strategic investments and initiatives that are shaping the future of connectivity, enabling new possibilities for businesses and consumers alike. 5G rollout, ultra fast speeds, low latency and massive capacity for enhanced mobile experiences. IoT ecosystem, connecting billions of devices for smart cities, healthcare and industrial automation. R&D investments, pioneering advancements in network slicing, edge computing and new service development. Their work in these areas is crucial for supporting emerging technologies and driving digital transformation globally, reinforcing the impact of robust communication systems. And coming to the conclusion part, key takeaways and the future of communication. We have journeyed through the theoretical underpinnings of communication systems and witnessed their practical manifestation in the real world sceneries. The principle of signal processing, transmission media and networking protocols combine to form the intricate tapestry of our connected world. The future promises even greater advancements with technologies like 6G, quantum communication and advanced AI driven networks set to redefine how we interact and share information. First one is foundational knowledge, understanding the core components in vital of for appreciating systems complexity and constant evolution. The field continuously innovates from analog to digital beyond. And global impact. Communication systems are essential for modern society and economic growth and future potential. Emerging technologies will continue to push the boundaries of connectivity. Thank you.